my homestead peeps. Do you want to learn how to be a thriver, not just a survivor? Today I'm going to share 3 things that I've learned in my life to help me thrive even in difficult seasons of life. The number one thing that I have learned is to not put all my faith, hope, and trust in people. Put it in God. Literally all of it. Give it to Him. Now that doesn't mean there's not good people. God created all of us. But you don't want to give them all of your faith and hope and trust. It's always good to serve people, be kind to them, even if they don't treat you kind. But give God all your trust. He deserves it. Number 2, be brave. Do not be afraid to try new things in life, even when you're scared, especially when you're scared. Since moving out west, I have tried so many new things that I had never previously done in my life. And my life has turned out better just being brave and trying those things. Number 3, surround yourself with a good goal-oriented community. While you don't want to put all your faith and hope in humans, you do want to have them around you when they are moving in the same good direction you are. The more people you have around you that are goal-oriented and hardworking, the better life will be for you. I want you to drop a comment down below and tell me some of the things you have found out that have been amazing changes in your life. For hanging out with me. Love you guys. See you later, my homestead peeps.